Welcome back to the Planet V. You won't believe it. I am in Spa. I am not wearing any bathrobe because we are actually in the city of Spa here in Belgium, which is the origin of the word spa. They are known for their mineral water, the oldest casino in the world, and for my Pinoy beauty pageant fanatics. Did you know that the first beauty pageant in the world was held here in Spa on September 19, 1888? Let's explore the city with the beautiful colors of autumn. I love that time when trees start to slowly show their autumn colors. The changing of the leaves is one of autumn's most beautiful hallmarks. I want to share with you these facts about autumn. As the days grow shorter throughout the season, trees start to shut down their food production systems and decrease the amount of chlorophyll in their leaves since there is insufficient light throughout the winter for photosynthesis to take place. The chemical chlorophyll is what gives the leaves their green color, and when it depletes, other compounds become more noticeable in the leaves. These give autumn its brilliant amber, scarlet, and yellow hues. Different flavonoids, carotenoids, and anthocyanins are to blame, which are also the substances that contribute to the color of egg yolks and carrots. Spa is a city and municipality in the province of Liège, Belgium. Its name has come to stand for mineral baths with reputed therapeutic benefits. for its natural mineral springs and the creation of Spa mineral water, which is sold all over the world. Spa is one of Belgium's most well-liked tourist sites. Le Circuit de Spa-Francorchamps is where the Belgian Grand Prix is held every year. We are now in Nivezé, where you'll find this spring water and we will taste it. I've tasted it before, but I will ask Valdez first to do it.
It's rusty.
It's rusty.
Okay, it's not hot, it's cold.
It's cold. Good. Eh? What can I say? It tastes like what? How?
It tastes like iron.
Iron?
Sweet.
They said that it's healthy. One of the reasons why people come here. Try.
No, I think I like it.
It's interesting. It really tastes like iron with sugar. Not really like sweet, but the aftertaste of sugar. And the iron is really strong now.
I'm so heavy now.
Heavy.
Iron Man.
So if you go to Spa, and here in Nivezé you'll find this, you have to try.
Drink spa water.
It's different. The taste of spa water, which is bottled, is totally different from what they have here. The 18th century saw the town at its busiest. Following Tsar Peter the Great's visit in 1717, the Spa Springs became well known throughout Europe. Spa is referred to by Joseph II as Café of Europe. Following that, every summer, aristocrats from throughout the continent came to stay, creating a distinctive ambience. Along with other renowned cities like Bath and Vichy, Spa emerged as one of Europe's foremost spa towns. Today, along with 10 other spa towns, it is recognized as a Great Spa Town of Europe and is formally recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.